Hi everyone. You know, before you hit send on a big email campaign, you always want to make sure your variables and formatting look exactly right. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the preview feature in Mailmeteor for Google Sheets to catch any mistakes before they reach your recipients' inboxes. So, I have my spreadsheet ready with my contact list and I've already drafted my template. So I have my spreadsheet ready with my contact list. Now I need to click on extensions and then select Mailmeteor and then new campaign. Okay, so I've prepared my template, got my email, got my subject line, and to is going to recipients in column C. Great. Now what I want to do is click on preview just here. This is the most important part. As I go through the preview, you can see that the tags like first name are being replaced by the actual data from my spreadsheet rows. It's a great way to ensure you haven't missed any brackets or made a typo in your merge tags. If it looks good for the first person, use the arrows at the top to click through a few more rows just to be 100% sure the data is mapping correctly for everyone. And while you're in this view, take a second to check your formatting. Does the spacing look all right? Are the links clickable? For instance here, they are. This preview shows you exactly what the recipient will get, so it's your final safety check for a professional look. Now, if you want to be extra careful, you can also click on Receive a Test Email right from this screen. This will send a real version of the draft to your own inbox so you can see how it appears on mobile, for instance, or on different apps. Once you've verified that everything looks perfect, you're ready to close the preview and start your campaign with total confidence. All you need to do now is just click on send. I hope this helps you send better emails. If you found this quick walkthrough useful, like it and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy emailing!